spinach? Yeah. Pour a little bit of this in here. Let's make it up. You don't want to use this knife?
I want to use it.
You do? Okay. You want to hold your kid's knife. You can cut the rest. So we got it in half. So now what you can do is hold the onion with one hand. And come with one hand.
They get a lot milder after you cook them. When they're fresh, they're pretty strong. Pretty strong. Then
Like
away
that.
from our body with the pasta.
Way, like that. And then you see how you can tell like this part has been peeled and this one hasn't? You see the difference? So you want to peel all the parts that look like that. Good job. Yeah. There you go. You got all these strips of carrot. You can eat them if you want. You go like that. You like push down and rub it on there.
Yesterday, when did
Or scrape it into the bowl. There we go. We got some big chunks of onion in there, but that's okay. Okay, sweet. Here, can you put your hand on here and press? We gotta be careful because the knife's on this side. Yeah, okay. So now it's a little bit easier to take the skin off. Can you try to take the skin off of that one? To apply that for days. Oh, look, you got it. All right. So look at that. So this is what a garlic press is. Like kind of scrape it in with your spatula. Awesome. You just want to kind of stir it around like that.
it smells good?
That's the onion and the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna let you do it now. You just go kind of slow and gentle. If we go too fast, it'll all fly out.
And it burn the whole floor?
Don't burn the floor.
Will it catch it on fire?
No, it would just be messy. You know how to crack these eggs. You put the dough in I'm going to stir it until the yolks are all broken up. Good job, though.
So it's completely yellow.
As yellow as it can be. It won't be perfect all the way in.
Is that good?
Okay, so we got a little extra. That's okay. And now add that in there. Yeah.
This good?
Start with that. Now put it in there. You might need to kind of. You can add as much as you want. And we got to do a pinch. Ooh, that looks good. Put your little fingers and grab a little bit, so it's just a pinch. So just grab it too. And now just throw it in there. You can like, yeah. Last week of school, or this is his last full week of school.
And where will we working it?
Hold it. Yeah.
My sister goes there.
She does. Chops it up a little bit. You'll just kind of tear it. Yeah. Oh, good.
It smells good too.
Good. I'm glad. I think it smells really good. Okay, so now we need to put it in a cake pan. And I can help you scrape. We can probably just put it in there.
Yeah, I think that's what you do. You'll stir it in.
Okay.
I'll fix the recipe.
cookie on
That's okay. I didn't even notice that.
Well,
Okay. All the way to the cutting board. Yeah, there you go. And the spinach will get real small when we cook it. Do you remember me cooking the spinach this morning?
Yeah.
Oh, what? No, it is on the list, so I just missed it.
okay.
I'm doing it.
That's
so
all right.
that would have been it. So yeah, we can do it. Put it in there. Yeah. I don't think so. It'll cook down.
Is this one?
I think that's good. Yeah.
Graham, yeah.
Who found it online?
Oh, Sister Bridget was responsible for finding recipes for this grant.
There it goes.
Yeah. Well, we could also do smaller little bits.
Yeah.
Even grated.
We didn't cut them.
Yeah.
Too small.
You saw the mariachi? Was that today?
Yeah.
Oh, that
I think it was.